Hello guys, today we are going to unbox and test Batman RC car. It's a Batmobile. So I ordered it with a phone box to avoid any damage on the car, because these little things can break easily. So in the package we have a rechargeable battery, of course the Batmobile. It looks so cool. It's about 27 centimeters, but these things doesn't move. So battery compartment, fine tuning for the wheels. That's all. It's a simple, cool toy, and we have bed shape remote controller here. It is also looks so nice. Forward, backward, right, left, and on off button. We have the USB charging cable for the battery and the screwdriver. Okay, let's open the remote controller first. Remote controller requires 3 AAA 1.5 volts battery. Yes, it's working. So when you turn it on, you will see red light blinking here. So our car is ready. Let's open the remote controller. So this is the end of unbox part. Let's go out and try it.